Welcome to the Blue Sapphire Healing Waterfall Guided Meditation. Sitting comfortably, close your eyes. Taking our 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth, we begin. Imagine a pole of bright white light descending from the sky at the central sun, gently resting on the top of your head. And on your next inhale, feel it as it sinks in to your head through your crown chakra, sliding behind your eyes, your nose, your mouth, your throat and esophagus, over your shoulders, down your arms, resting gently in your hands, going right through you, all the way down to your belly button, to your groin, over your thighs and kneecaps, down your calves, resting gently on the tops of your feet. And on your next exhale, feel as if your feet are sinking into the ground, extending, reaching down to Gaia's heartbeat at her core and connecting to her now, feeling the pulse of our mother and her heartbeat beneath your feet, feeling the connection to all that surrounds you from inside and out. And on your next exhale, imagine a pole of bright white light infused with a DNA strand of bright neon purple and neon green intertwined, coming from Gaia's heart, going through the balls of your feet, up your calves to your kneecaps, all the way to your groin, and from your groin all the way up through your esophagus, down your arms, through your throat, all the way up your head and through the top of your crown, going further and skyward through, aligning you to the central sun. Feeling the extension, feeling the mergence of these poles together as they fuse in your spine, grounding you and aligning you, bringing you in total balance, peace, and serenity. Taking another deep breath in, allow yourself to fall right into your heart center, where you feel wrapped in warmth and love. Now imagine a bubble of white light begin to create itself around you and your heart center, creating an impregnable shield of protection surrounding you, with the love of Creator and all of your guides and beings that you work with at your highest and best good. Feeling this protection surround you now. Imagine in front of you a beautiful crystalline encrusted door appear. And as you walk towards it, it opens. And you walk through it into a magical realm of healing energies, stunning colors in a kaleidoscope of never before seen neon and bright colors, filling you, surrounding you, going through you, bringing you joy and peace. And as you step further into this beautiful realm, you begin to see an amazing manifestation before you. This magical forest of never before seen colored energies begins to take shape. And on the far side, on the right, you see this sparkling waterfall begin to emerge into your purview. Filled with sparkles of sapphire blue. You walk towards it, feeling its pulsing and tingling as the sprays of energetic fire float towards you, kissing your cheeks and your face. You continue forward and walk right into the waterfall's energetic presence, where the energy flows, leaves you feeling rested and peaceful. You stand within its embrace as it showers you with its energy healing and love frequencies. Feel the energy as it rains down on you and your physical aspect, cleansing it down to your cellular structure and DNA, igniting it, bringing it online. Immerse yourself in this moment, filled with magic, healing, love, and grace. Allow your transformation to take place. And as you bask in this blue sapphire waterfall of frequencies, you close your eyes and lift your head up, feeling fulfilled, energized, and completely at peace, rejuvenated, reactivated. Allowing it to fill your body to its capacity. Taking a deep breath in. As you exhale, you release the final that you need to let go of. And now that your energy has been replenished and all that you wish to let go has been washed away, you leave the waterfall behind you and get back into this magical realm. And as you leave, the waterfall disappears behind you. And as you walk each step further and further towards the bubble of white light, everything behind you disappears, and the magical crystalline door reappears inside the bubble of white light. And as you reach the doorway, it opens, beckoning you inside once again. You step back inside the bubble of white light, and the crystalline door disappears. It reappears in front of you once again, ready to take you home, back into your heart center. You walk right into your heart now. Feeling the love, peace, feeling a little lighter than when you walked in the first time. Slowly now, feeling yourself more and more present in the moment. Slowly feeling your legs beneath you, your arms, stretching your legs and arms, wiggling your fingers and toes. When you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you for being with me on this journey. Namaste.